Hi everyone, and welcome back to the GSD Solutions channel. Today I will show you how to connect from your personal computer to your office PC using NinjaOne Remote Access. From your personal computer, open your browser and go to the NinjaOne End User portal. If this is your first time, you'll receive an invite from your company in your email. Just click the link, and it will take you directly to the portal. Enter your company email and password. If prompted, you will also need to set up multi-factor authentication. If you already have set it up, simply enter the code and click Submit. Once you're inside, you'll see the list of devices you can access. If you are on your personal computer and need to connect to your corporate PC, go to the right side of the screen and click the icon that says NinjaOne Remote. When the pop-up appears, select Open, and that's it. You can see your office desktop, open files, and use your apps just like you were sitting at your desk in the office. When you're done, simply close the window. The session ends immediately, and your office computer stays secure. And that's it. Connecting to your office PC with NinjaOne is simple, safe, and fast. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. See you in the next video.